morning me there me a call the picnic. The picnic na answer me. But you see, if I track till a evening, him a go get a piece of horse nine behind. Mom, look for how long me a call you. And you out there a fling stone. You hear what they say? Hard years picnic bite rock stone. Eh? And who can hear will feel. So you tired to goat from morning? Look how long the goat them out there ball. And you not tired to goat from morning. You put out your piss bed them yet? Eh? So where head a one day if you go sweep up yard and go wash up a plate them? And you know some day I me not feel good. Alright, set on the pot there. Me boil like a bush tea. Me eat it with 2 crackers and piece of bread. Alright, make yes while the sun shine. And remember say, may have something else for you do before you get figure to school. Alright, see your lunch money, then me put down on the table. Remember say when you come in this evening, you have work to do. So come home early and no skylark, no stop a road. Alright. Me I send you go shop. And now make me Peter grow and it dry up before you come back. Imagine me a wait pan sitting for cook for dinner. And you gone a road gone skylark. You know how long me there wait pan you? I go and give you a piece of beating before you got your bed you go get it. Alright, go and go look like a brushwood. And use the axe and split up your wood because me I go use it to put under the pot. Mama, every time you just a work me so me can't even sit down because of you. I go and box you upon your mouth. When you eat the food, you're not frown. When you eat, you're not frown, you know. But you see the time you have to do something, you find all sorts of things to say. Food sweet and lazy man. Yes. You hear the Bible said, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your mother and father. But mama, you know here say, the Bible still go say, parents, you know if you provoke your children to wrath. Mama can't talk, me well mama pan pint. You're too little and cheeky and facey and farad. Me no like pick you when I no manners. And them your last a days pick me and them nah no manners. Them ya the 3rd and 4th generation. But mama, if you should see them ya generation, you would talk something else. Because them ya pick me away a go school and a big woman and big man them. Some word we a come out of feed them mouth. They want Jesus. And them ya pick me ya the one them bamboo bed and then tinning lamp. Them ya pick me ya you have to go light back lamp to find them. Because when we are come from school, you know, we tap and ramp. But them ya pick me ya. If you know where them a go, if night should turn to day, and you see where them a go when they left school, huh? You make a uniform for them, and at the same time, them take them finger and pull out the hemming and stuck up the, what you call it, petticoat, and turn it in a mini. And them ya picnic nah no manners to teacher. Them very disrespectful. So if you call for me gingeration, the third and fourth gingeration, and it was the gingeration of Viper, where you call them picnic and nowadays, where you beat off teacher, a beat off parents. Eh? You tell me, say, me fi learn fi satisfy. And if I one banana me get it, me eat it and satisfy. But them ya picnic nowadays, a chopper money them want. Them want man with money. All them want is hairstyle and fingernail and party. Them your parents, yeah, they make sure I tell them, say, any man them a talk to, they must talk to man with money. And some of the picnic them a take the man with the money, and them parents a get money out of it. Because enough of them parents ya love sweet, you know. So once the daughter can carry the money, come give them. All hell broke loose. We live in a society where picnic them a mother and a mother them a picnic. Because when some of them picnic a talk to parents, you know, then one parents will listen to them and say it so stern like a them are the parents. In my days, no picnic could have ruled me. When me start having children, where me say go? Yes, them can talk, but listen to me. And me are the mother. Them the time there, parents used to put down them foot, but now, very few parents are put down them foot nowadays. And some will put down them foot, they pick them a tap on it. Please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. I love you guys.